Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Neutrogena Rapid Tone Repair is probably one of the most popular dark spot correctors on the market, and for good reason. It's clinically proven to reduce the appearance of dark spots and uneven skin tone. But does it live up to the hype? In this video, we'll put Neutrogena Rapid Tone Repair to the test, exploring its effectiveness, ease of use, and overall value to help you decide if it's the right dark spot corrector for your skin. Number 5. Neutrogena Rapid Wrinkle Repair. This advanced moisturizer is designed to help you achieve younger-looking skin. It's a daily anti-aging cream that's gentle enough for everyday use. It combines the power of pure retinol, a dermatologist-proven ingredient, with hyaluronic acid for intense hydration. This combination helps fight fine lines, wrinkles, and dark spots. Our improved formula now includes a soothing complex for enhanced comfort. You'll notice smoother, clearer skin in as little as 1 week. See a reduction in the appearance of fine lines and dark spots in just 4 weeks. It's clinically proven to deliver visible results. It also provides broad-spectrum SPF 30 sunscreen to protect your skin from sun damage. This helps prevent sunburn and premature aging. This dermatologist-tested formula is free of parabens, mineral oil, and dyes. It's gentle enough for sensitive skin and suitable for daily use. It's the #1 retinol brand recommended by dermatologists. Make it a part of your daily skincare routine for a youthful glow. What we like? It's a daily moisturizer with retinol and hyaluronic acid, plus SPF 30 sun protection. If you're a beginner to retinol and need sun protection, this is perfect for you. It helps fight wrinkles and dark spots while keeping your skin hydrated and protected from the sun's harmful rays. What people say? It makes my skin so soft, shows less wrinkles and fine lines, and just plain feels good going on. It is a good quality product and works well, for me. I am a repeat customer of this product as it moisturizes and protects my fine lines and wrinkles from the sun. Nice quality consistency, not too thick. I've used the product for about a week now. The first thing I noticed was that my skin felt tighter all day and night and smoother. Then, within the past few days, I noticed my super fine lines were less noticeable. When I took a closer look at my eye and mouth area, I realized that my skin had tightened to the point that it was no longer drooping. Number 4. Neutrogena Rapid Wrinkle Repair. This daily moisturizer helps diminish the appearance of deep wrinkles and crow's feet. See smoother, more youthful skin in just 1 week. It's formulated with hyaluronic acid to add plumping moisture, hydrating and rejuvenating your skin for a healthy glow. This cream contains retinol, a dermatologist-proven ingredient to fight fine lines, wrinkles, and dark spots, revealing brighter skin. It's fragrance-free and suitable for daily use on all skin tones. It's also free of parabens, mineral oil, and dyes. This anti-aging cream is part of a regular skincare routine, trusted by dermatologists and loved by users. Experience the difference. What we like? This fragrance-free formula combines retinol and hyaluronic acid to reduce wrinkles and hydrate your skin. If you have sensitive skin and want to avoid fragrances, this is the ideal choice. It's gentle enough for daily use and effective in smoothing and plumping your skin. What people say? This is a really lovely facial cream. It's a great moisturizer and has noticeably improved the firmness and texture of my skin. The combination of retinol and hyaluronic acid in this moisturizer is like a 1-2 punch against fine lines, wrinkles, and dark spots. After just a few weeks of consistent use, I noticed a significant improvement in the overall texture and appearance of my skin. My fine lines appear diminished, my skin feels firmer, and those pesky dark spots are noticeably lighter. The Neutrogena Rapid Wrinkle Repair Retinol Face Moisturizer has become my daily skincare indulgence, delivering a potent blend of retinol and hyaluronic acid without the weight of traditional anti-aging creams. In this fragrance-free formulation, Neutrogena has struck a perfect balance, making it a standout choice for those seeking effective wrinkle-fighting results without the heaviness. Number 3. Neutrogena Triple Age Repair Night Cream. This night cream is specially designed to tackle 3 major signs of aging: wrinkles, uneven skin tone, and loss of firmness. It's your secret weapon for younger-looking skin. See a visible difference in just 4 weeks. It smooths wrinkles, evens skin tone, and firms your skin, revealing a more youthful complexion. This cream contains hexanol technology, boosting your skin's ability to improve its appearance, elasticity, and firmness. It helps you look and feel your best. It's packed with vitamin C to brighten and even out your skin tone, and glycerin to deeply moisturize and hydrate. It's a powerful combination for radiant skin. Apply it every night after cleansing your face and neck. Let it work its magic while you sleep, waking up to refreshed, rejuvenated skin. Neutrogena Triple Age Repair Night Cream is your partner in achieving a more youthful and radiant appearance. Experience the difference tonight. What we like. It's a night cream with vitamin C and glycerin, designed to tackle wrinkles, uneven tone, and firmness. If you're looking for a nighttime solution to improve your skin's overall appearance, this is a great option. It deeply moisturizes and works to even out your skin tone while you sleep. What people say. It is honestly best used for softening your skin, does not tighten your skin but makes it so smooth and soft after about a week's use. A nice skin care product that is absorbed quickly without sticky residue. The product is creamy and smooth and not greasy. It is light to medium weight. It is easy to apply. When I woke up the next day and took off my headgear with face straps, my face felt smooth and moisturized. Number 2. Neutrogena Rapid Tone Repair Serum. This daily serum is your secret weapon against dark spots and uneven skin tone. It's formulated with retinol and vitamin C for visible results. It's clinically proven to reduce the appearance of dark spots and discoloration. See brighter, more even-toned skin. This serum works to renew your skin's look, helping to brighten your complexion and improve the appearance of stubborn dark spots. It effectively targets those persistent dark spots, revealing a more radiant and even skin tone. It's suitable for daily use. This serum is gentle enough for daily use and is suitable for all skin tones. It's part of your regular skincare routine. It's free of mineral oil and dyes, making it a gentle yet effective choice for your daily skincare routine. Experience the difference. What we like. This serum combines retinol and vitamin C to target dark spots and brighten your skin tone. If you're concerned about dark spots and want a daily serum to improve your complexion, this is for you. It helps to reduce the appearance of dark spots and even out your skin tone. What people say. The dispenser atop the tube never clogs. You only need one pump to do the job. It took maybe a month for it to totally remove the spot and it hasn't returned after 3 years. After using for a month most days, I noticed a dramatic difference. Only need a little bit each application so it also lasts a while. Use for various dark spots on face. I have sensitive skin and this does not bother me at all. Number 1. Neutrogena Rapid Tone Repair Serum. Reveal your skin's natural radiance with Neutrogena's Rapid Tone Repair Serum. Its potent formula helps brighten your complexion and reduce the appearance of dark spots. This serum is packed with 20% L-ascorbic acid, the purest form of vitamin C. It's a powerful antioxidant that fights against skin aging. See a noticeable difference in your skin tone. It evens out your complexion, leaving you with a brighter, more radiant look. Each individual capsule ensures that you always get the freshest, most potent dose of vitamin C. It's designed to maintain its effectiveness. It's oil-free, paraben-free, fragrance-free, and dye-free, making it suitable for even the most sensitive skin. The seaweed-derived capsules are also biodegradable. Simply twist and open the capsule to release the serum. Apply it to your face and enjoy the benefits of this powerful formula. What we like. This serum features 20% vitamin C in individual capsules to ensure freshness and potency. If you want a powerful brightening effect and prefer single-use capsules, this is a great choice. It helps to reduce the look of dark spots and brighten your skin tone effectively. What people say. I've been satisfied with the way this seems to brighten up my complexion. I think it seems to speed up cell renewal, helps with that full complexion you get as you get older. My acne-prone skin has been staying clear and less oily, dry and more evenly toned and balanced all over. First, I don't have sensitive skin, just 72 years old skin. This product works so well to lighten the spots on the backs of my hand and even out the skin tone of my face. Packaged into these capsules mean the Vit C stays active. So forget the creams or other open containers of Vit C. This is an amazing product that has other women asking me what I use to keep the backs of my hands looking so young and what a glowing complexion I have. This stuff is amazing. I really does what they claim. You can see a difference in just 1 week. It's even better than that. I saw a difference after 3 nights of use. I had one particularly annoying dark spot on my cheekbone that had been there for several years, and after just 1 week it is barely visibly. I have some other dark spots too, and those are fading also. I am very impressed at how easy and fast this worked. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.